The email notifications dashboard provides administrators with visibility into key metrics, so they can proactively manage email notifications on the instance. Data collection for the dashboard is triggered by configuring and running the historical email indicator data and the email notifications created jobs. Without doing this, no data will be present on the dashboard. The main page displays insights around email notifications and their usage, such as most triggered and most opted-out notifications, the category of notifications most used, and total unused notifications. Each of these insights can be viewed in detail by clicking on them. These values can be adjusted to show data for certain selected timeframes. The notification overview displays how many notifications are active versus inactive in the instance. Monthly email notifications trend monitors work by tracking triggered counts and newly created notifications. It compares the current duration to the previous period and provides an overview of how the triggered count has evolved over time. As an example, we are looking at email notifications triggered last month per the filter, as well as the month previous to that, showing us a comparison of those 2 months side by side in an enhanced visualization of the trend. Next to it, visualization for newly created notifications works the same way. The top 10 email notifications by usage displays the most triggered notifications and the most opted-out ones. Each notification on the list shows the frequency of their usage and how many users opted out of them, along with the category name and the table it's on. Clicking Show More provides a wider view of the top notifications list, as well as showing the least triggered and unused notifications. Additionally, notifications can be filtered by category, table, notification type, and state. Click on any notification to see detailed insights about the notification in the selected time period. Click View Conditions to see the notification in the platform view. You can deactivate the notification from here as well. Also visible are top 10 most received notifications by users and the top 10 most triggered notifications by table. The Email Notifications dashboard provides visibility into email notifications, ensuring critical communications are not overlooked. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.